Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix phone speaker volume suddenly low or low sound problem in Android or any Samsung phone, or low audio on call in Samsung Galaxy phone or any Android phone, and also no sound on videos on Samsung phone. So let's get started. Method number 1. First of all, open settings of your device. Scroll down and find out sound and vibration. Tap on it. Tap on volume. Now turn on the media volume to 100% and also turn on others volume to 100%. After that, tap on 3 dots. Now set your custom volume limit. Move back. You can also turn on the use volume buttons for media if you want. Move back. Tap sound quality and effects. If your problem with your headset or headphone, then you need to make some change from here. Before doing that, connect your headphone to your phone. Tap on equalizer. Set the equalizer which you prefer to use. To get better quality sound on your headphone, you need to turn on these options. After that, move back to the home screen and check it out. Your problem is remain or has been gone. If your problem still remains, then go ahead with the next method. Method number 2. Open settings once again. Tap on apps or applications. Tap on 3 dots. Tap Reset App Preference. Tap on Reset. In my case, I am not tapping the Reset button right now because by tapping here my screen recorder will be closed. But you need to tap on the Reset button. Do not hesitate to tap here, your all data will be saved. After that, move back to the home screen and restart your device. After the restart, I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem persists, then try the next method. Check whether the Do Not Disturb option is on. If it is, turn it off. Go to Settings. Scroll down and find out Accessibility. Open it. Tap on Hearing Enhancement. Turn on the mono audio here. After that, check it out. This time I hope your problem will be no longer available. Still not working, then go to the next method. Open settings. Search for reset. Tap on Reset All Settings. Tap Reset All Settings. Tap Reset Settings. Unlock your phone, then tap on Reset. After completing the process, your phone will be restarted. After the restart, I hope your problem will be fixed. In my case, I am not resetting my phone because I am recording this video. So to fix this issue, you need to tap on Reset Settings. After completing the resetting process, your problem will be no longer available. If your problem still persists, then you need to know there is a problem with dust or water on your speaker. Then you need to download an application from Play Store to clear the water or dust. So open your Play Store. Search for Speaker Cleaner Remove Water. Install this application. After completing the installation process, open it. Tap on Clear Speaker. Follow the instructions that you are watching on the screen. If your speaker or headphones are still not working after using all the methods, then you need to contact the nearest technician. Maybe your speaker or headphones are damaged. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. That's it. Thanks for watching.